Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature 7 pixie haircut ideas. So if you have been thinking of going shorter and you are in need of some inspiration, this video is for you. So first up we have a beautiful pixie undercut. This one features a gorgeous choppy spiky texture at the top. Followed by this pixie hair transformation. Beautiful side swept bangs with this one. Stunning highlights mixed in as well. Gorgeous. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Gorgeous copper toned pixie cut, followed by this beautiful asymmetrical pixie that features reddish brown hair coloring. And then we have someone go from long to short with this pixie hair transformation. Beautiful choppy style pixie with the baby bangs in the front. Followed by this beautiful blonde pixie hair transformation. Gorgeous. The stylist actually ended up doing more of the pixie style for that particular one. Followed by another beautiful asymmetrical pixie. And this curly pixie. Alright you guys, if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.